Class, we did talk about the Truth and Reconciliation Commission. What did we say? What was, why was Truth and Reconciliation Commission formed? The Truth and Reconciliation, Tisha, I think the Truth and Reconciliation Commission was formed. The Truth and Reconciliation Commission was formed to try and move South Africa forward. Was trying, which was the purpose of Truth and Reconciliation Commission was to forgive those people that committed the crimes, was to heal. If all in all, I think the commission was all about healing the past. Was all about, in order for South Africa to move forward, it needed to heal, it needed to deal with its past so that it can move forward clearly. Excellent. That was the purpose. Therefore, I said to you, there were 3 committees of the TRC. What were those committees of the TRC? Yes, Mtanyana Sisipo. Tisha, I think the Truth and Reconciliation Commission, had a committee of human rights violation. Excellent. What was the committee of human rights violation about? Yes, tell me, Mding. What was the commission, the Human Rights Commission was about? Tisha, the Human Rights Committee was, it is whereby the victims were invited and the perpetrators were disclosing, telling their crimes, whereby they were confessing their crimes, that I did this and this and this. This is what was happening during during that time, Tish. Good. Then what was the next committee? Yes, Manyana Sisipo. Tisha, you said the second committee was the rehabilitation and reparation. In this committee, Tisha, I think it is whereby people, when they have heard the story, when they have listened what they happened, they after, as Asisipo have stated that in committee number 1, this is whereby they were confessing their crimes. Therefore, people, as they were listening to those crimes, some of them, they were experiencing trauma. So therefore, they needed the professional help, such as psychological help and compensation at some time. So, Tisha, in this committee of reparation, this is whereby they were given that kind of assistance. Exactly. That's it, Asisipo. That's it, Mtanam. Therefore, what was the next? I said, what was the last committee? The last committee, Tisha, was the issue. What was the committee? The last issue, I think, Tisha. Yeah, Tisha, I don't know how to say it. Can I say it in Xhosa? No. So I have to say it in English because we're gonna write this in Xhosa. No, Tisha. The last committee was the amnesty committee, whereby those perpetrators who have confessed, who have told the whole congregation what they have done, this is whereby they were applying for forgiveness. Amnesty means forgiveness to those people that committed crimes that were related to politics. Good, exactly. That was the amnesty. Good. Now, guys, you're gonna write the classwork. Here are the questions that I've prepared. For you. Here are the questions. You're gonna write the classwork. This is the answer. You're gonna write the classwork. This is that classwork about the Truth and Reconciliation Commission. Good. After I've written the classwork, you're gonna give it to me. I'm going to mark it on my office. Good, guys. Before I end the lesson, is there anyone who can personally remind me, or who can say, who can differentiate between retributive justice and restorative justice? What is restorative? What is retributive justice? Retributive justice, it is the system whereby people decided to, which is whereby people, those who committed crimes, or can say perpetrators, are being punished for their crimes. Good. And restorative justice, it is whereby those people who have committed the crimes are being forgiven, being given a second chance. It is whereby they are just being forgiven. They are not being punished, but they will be forgiven if they tell or they confess all the crimes that they have committed. Good. Now I'm gonna give you the classwork. I'm gonna give you the homework. This homework, we're gonna do it at home. We're gonna do this homework at home and bring it back on Monday, since today is Friday. Good class.